Now the topic is shear force and bending moment diagrams for a cantilever with a point load at the free end. The question is a cantilever beam of length 2 meters carries the point load as shown in the figure. Draw shear force and bending moment diagrams for the cantilever beam. This is a cantilever beam. One side is fixed and another side is free. Here at the point D, the force is acting 800 newtons and at point C 500 newtons is acting and D 300 meters, and as usual they give the lengths of that. Now first we have to project the projection lines for these diagrams. This is the projection lines. Now calculate shear force and the bending moments. Shear force and bending moments. SF means shear force. We consider shear force from the right side onwards. Shear force at D. What is the load here? 800 newtons. We all know that RUN. Before classes we know that RUN means right upwards negative. But here the load is acting downwards. Downwards means positive. So we take it as plus 800 newtons. Why newtons? Why not kilonewtons? Means here the loads are given in the newtons. Next, shear force at D after what is the point here? C. 800. How the load is acting? Downwards. So plus 800 plus 500 newton plus 500 is equal to how much? 1300 newtons. Until here, what is the load acting here in this part? 800 plus 500. Next, shear force at B point. Point B is equal to 800. How the 800 is acting downwards? So, plus 800 plus 500 plus 300 means totally 1600 newtons. Next, shear force at A. 800 plus 500 plus 300. What is the answer? 1600 newtons. Now, how you have to draw shear force diagram means, see, take a baseline. What is this? A baseline. What is this? Baseline. Next, what is this point D? And this is C. And this is B. This is A. Okay. Now, let's see. At D point, what is the shear force? 8 plus 800 newtons. So, this is 0. 0 to 8. We have to go upwards. Next, at C until 800. At C, what is the shear force acting at point C? 1300. For 800, how much we have to add? 500. So, 500. Until B. Here, what is the force at B? 1600. I think 1300 completed. After that, how much we have to add? 300. So, little bit. 1600. This is the shear force diagram. Positive shear force. We got positive shear force. This is 800. This is 1300. And this is 1600. Okay. This is shear force diagram. SFD. Now, calculation of bending moment. Calculating the bending moment. Bending moment means bending moment. Load into force into perpendicular distance. What's into perpendicular distance? C. Bending moment at D is equal to how much? 800. How the load is acting? Always moment at edge is 0. How we will get C? Minus 800 into, is there any distance at point D? No. So 0. Means how much? 0 kilonewton meter. 0 Newton meter. Next, moment at C. 800 into 0.8 minus 800 into 0.8 minus 800 into 0.8. Why minus? C. These both are acting like this. No? Is this sad or happy face? Sad face. Before we discussed that if sad face means, if we will get sad face means what is the symbol we use? Minus. Happy face or smiley face means we use positive. And this is hogging, this is sagging. Okay. See. What is the answer? Minus 640 minus 640 Newton meter. Newton meter. Next, moment of B. Minus 800 into 0.8 plus 0.75. Minus 500 into 0.7 minus 300 into 0 because there is no load. What is the answer we will get? Means minus 1550 Newton meter. Next, see, moment at A. Moment at A is equal to, 1 second. We'll do here. After that we'll draw the diagram. Bending moment at A is equal to 800 in minus 800 into, what is the distance? 0.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.5. 0.8 plus 0.7 plus 0.5 minus 500 into 0.7 plus, so we'll get minus 2350 minus 2350. What is this? Moment at A. Now we will draw the diagram. What is this? Is baseline. This is baseline. Now for this also we will draw a baseline. This is a 0. At D, what is that? 0. So this is 0. And at moment C, what the answer will got? 640. Which is 640? Minus 640. That's why we will draw the diagram of bending moment at downwards. here to here 640. So we'll join this like inclined straight line. Next, at moment at B minus 1550, we'll draw moment like a inclined straight line, and at A, after that it will join like this, and this is negative. What is this? Bending moment diagram. This is a bending moment diagram. While the point load or concentrated loads are acting, this is a shear force diagram, and this is a bending moment diagram. Another topic of the same, in case shear force in a beam there is a point load, means point load or concentrated load, means the diagram will come like this of shear force. Shear force diagram ఎప్పుడు పాయింట్ లోడ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ లోడ్ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటే షియర్ ఫోర్స్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎప్పుడు ఈ విధంగానే ఉంటుంది, అండ్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ ఎప్పుడు ఇలానే ఉంటుంది. హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ మీన్స్ ఇలా ఇంక్లైన్డ్గా ఉంటుంది బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ డయాగ్రామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మెయిన్ సైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ ద బీమ్స్.